nearly slips your pants. A girl starts walking, guy starts talking, sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wanna dance cause she likes the groove, so come on, fatso, and just bust a move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you
just bust a move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you got it.
You're on a mission and you're wishing someone to cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. No fly girls, just ugly faces. From frustration, first inclination is to become a monk and leave the situation. But every dark tunnel has a light of hope, so don't hang yourself with a celibate rope. The movie's showing, so you're going. Could care less about the fire you're blowing. The theater gets dark just to start the show, and then you spot a fine woman sitting in your row. She's dressed in yellow, she says hello. Come sit next to me, you fine fellow. You run over there without a second to lose, and what comes next? Hey, bust a move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you
just
got
bust a
it.
move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you got it.
In the city, ladies look pretty. Guys tell jokes so they can seem witty. Tell a funny joke just to get some play. Then you try to make a move and she says no way. Girls are faking, goodness saking. They want a man who brings home the bacon. Got no money and you got no car, then you got no woman. And there you are. Some girls are sadistic, materialistic. Looking for a man, makes them opportunistic. The line on the beach perpetrating a tear so that a brother with the money can be their man. So on the beach you're strolling, real high rolling. Everything you have is yours and not stolen. A girl runs up with something to prove, so don't just stand there, bust a move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you
just bust
got
a move.
it. If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you got it.
Break it down for me, fellas. Your best friend Harry has a brother Larry. In 5 days from now, he's gonna marry. He's hoping you can make it there if you can, cause in the ceremony you'll be the best man. You say neato, check your libido, and roll to the church in your new tuxedo. The bride walks down just to start the wedding, and that's one more girl you won't be getting. So you start thinking, then you start blinking. The bridemaid looks and thinks that you're winking. She thinks it kinda cute, so she winks back, and now you feel really blurred cause the girl is stacked. Reception jumping, bass is bumping. Look at the girl and your heart starts thumping. Says she wanna dance to a different groove. Now you know what to do, G, bust a move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you
just bust
got
a
it.
move.
If you want it, then you got it. If you want it, baby, you got
Move it, boy.
Oh, yeah.
All the way to the end.